So the Taiwan Water Corp team was selected from 120 teams that participated in the presidential hackathon in Taiwan. The competition was judged by a panel of esteemed people, among whom was Minister Audrey Tang, who is one of the most inspirational and amazing people that I've ever met. But she helped handpick this team to come to Lightning Lab GovTech because she knew that they would gain the most from this experience. So the team from the Taiwan Water Corp is a really, really interesting and amazing team. They're comprised of basically engineers from the Taiwan Water Corporation who have come up with a really ingenious solution to a really serious problem that affects Taipei as well as just about every major city in the world. The team has developed really good relationships with Wellington and Palmerston North, and really the world is their oyster, and it's a fantastic example of collaboration between Taiwan and New Zealand so that together we can go forward and really help solve serious conservation problems worldwide.